Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to turn on background video on Spotify and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just get started. You can start by opening up the Spotify application and the thing is Canvas only works on the device where Canvas is fully supported, which means your background video that is played when you go ahead and play your music in Spotify. So that only works, and all of the music do not have it. All the musics do not have it. Maybe new artist music have it. So you can just go and look out for those kind of videos and try playing one of the music. So for example, this one right here, and see for the Canvas music that should be applicable. So you can just go ahead and look out for those. So if you already have a compatible device where Canvas is fully supported, in order to enable it, all you gotta do is once you open up the Spotify app, head over to the settings. It is usually located in the top right corner. So you can go over to settings and open it up. For now, you can open up settings like this. And from here, you just need to go over and scroll down and find the option for playback. So find playback and tap on it, and then once you tap on it, you will just scroll down from the given options and reach to the very end where you will be finding option called canvas for display short or looping visuals. You can just go ahead and find it up, which should be available like this right under autoplay similar content. So once you find it up, you just need to go ahead and toggle this option on, and once you do so, you can play a music that supports Canvas. And if it has one, the visual should appear behind the music, and if the toggle is grayed out, make sure the data saver is turned off, and that is it. So you can follow up this process if you want to turn on Canvas and turn on background video on Spotify as well. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.